Hello everyone, this is Daniel with uGenesys, and welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I have something very incredible to show you, okay? So we'll be looking at our super accurate uGenesys volume indicator, okay guys? And this indicator can literally change the game for you guys because it allows you to identify when the most volume is in the market, alright? Okay, so let me just go over a very quick breakdown of what we're going to be doing today. So first we're going to add the indicator to our GBP CAD chart. Then we're going to look at the main features of this indicator, as well as the strategy on how to use it to get the most profits, okay? And in doing so, we'll focus primarily on our 4-hour chart, just to get to see some of the potential profits that you can make with this awesome indicator, okay guys? So let's go ahead and add this indicator to our chart. So let's go to Insert, Indicators, Custom, and we go down to our uGenesys volume indicator, right? Hit OK. Alright, so first of all, let's take a look right here. You can see we have a histogram with green bars here and red bars, alright? And so whenever we have the green bars, that indicates that we're in a bullish market, okay? And you can see we have our uptrend here, and that's when we can enter into buy positions. And with the red bars here, you can see here, this is when we're going into a downtrend, a bearish market, okay? And you take up selling positions in that time. And if you take a look down here, you can see we have a gold line, alright? And so whenever the bars are above the gold line, then that means that we have sufficient volume in the market and we can enter into trade positions, alright? And the amazing thing about this indicator is that it was designed using 18 different volume oscillators, alright? So it is aimed at recognizing when the market volume is at its highest, alright? And that is often around the time when the hedge funds and the banks and the private entities are trading, alright? So you have a lot of volume at that time. And so you end up with more volatility. And this is also when you get to establish the trends in the market, okay? So that is why you definitely want to be trading when the volume is at its highest, okay? So just keep a lookout here and observe that whenever the bars are above this gold line here, then that means that we have sufficient volume to trade, okay? However, if you see the bars are below the line, then we do not want to enter into any trade positions at this time, okay? Because then we don't have enough volume to trade, okay? And what will end up happening is you can see we have consolidation in the market, alright? It's just a flat line here. There's no movement here, okay? So you wouldn't really make any profits in this time. So look out for when the bars are below this gold line. So we don't want to enter in any trades at that time because that's when the volume is very low, okay? So you want to look out for when the bars are above the line to enter into our positions, okay? And also if you look up here, you can see we have an orange line, and this represents the maximum volume in the market. And when you see the bars approaching this line or crossing this line, then we know that we have a very strong trend at this time, alright? But also it could mean that the trend might be coming to an end and it may reverse soon, okay? So you want to look out for that. And remember to click on the link in the description to get this indicator, okay? And finally, let's go ahead and just take a look at our 4-hour chart just to see some examples here, because we found that the 4-hour time frame is actually the best time frame to use with this indicator to get some very profitable trades, alright? So we're just going to take a look at some examples in this case. So let's take a look, for example, at this section right here. You can see we have our red bars and they're above the line, so we know that it's good for us to enter into trades. And this means that we're going to take up selling positions at this point, alright? You can see the trend started here and ended over here. Alright, so we can take a look at the movement here just to see the number of pips, to see potentially how much profit we could have made with this trend right here, alright? Let's see here. Oh wow, so if you take a look at that, guys, we have a movement of approximately 472.8 pips, alright? Wow, we can see that's a great movement right here. Okay guys, and right here we can see we have our green bars here indicating that we have an uptrend, and we can see they're above the golden line, so we definitely know that we can enter into trades here, alright? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a little line right here over this section just to see, mark where the trend ends. Okay, and then I'm just going to use our crosshairs tool over here just to start from where the trend started here, and we'll just measure the pips, difference in the pips in this case, alright? Okay, wow guys, so we see that's a movement of 634 pips in this case, right? Alright guys, so you can see just how amazing this indicator is and the amazing profits that you can make using this indicator, alright? And usually we would advise our users to set a target amount that they want from the market and exit when they get that amount. And a good target is anything from 70 to 150 pips, but as you can just see from our previous examples here with our 4-hour chart, they can make a lot more profits than that, alright? So I really hope you can take this indicator and get some very profitable trades for yourself, okay? And remember to click on the link in the description to get this indicator, okay guys? And thanks again for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think. And goodbye for now.